Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna talk about something which is coming for some time and now it's in reaching distance. Let's start. Okay, before we dig in, I have to tell you the usual. If you want to send me a private message, use Twitter, link in the description. Use VPN all the time because scams are more and more. You can see that even under my YouTube videos there are a lot of scammers. Don't ever call them, don't ever send anything to them, okay? Those who are saying that you send 0.2 Bitcoin and receive 2, that is scam, that is not true, okay? Just don't. And last but not least, like this video if you like the content, but like it only at the end and watch it till the end. Let's dig in. So let's start with the coin market cap. I'm not gonna go through everything. Bitcoin's price is 55,000. It is lingering there. We still don't know if it's gonna go down even more, but that's for sure. It broke some support lines, which is not a very good news. Many people think that Bitcoin is overpriced, meaning Bitcoin wouldn't worth as much as it should. But how it is calculated, how Bitcoin price is calculated, how do we know if it's gonna go down or it's gonna up? Well, it's very simple. It has a market cap which is 1,034,000,034, and we have the circulating supply. This divided by this will give you how much Bitcoin's price should be. And does this mean that it changes all the time? Yeah, it should, but not every time, because how the price changes? Price changes based on the volume and also on the news, okay, on the hypes. See Tesla, for example, when he smoked a joint at the radio and the Tesla's share just went down, but it recovered instantly. It was just a very good chance for people to buy shares, to be honest. We have a Glassnode indicator for this. The gray line, it's a mathematical calculation where the price should be, and as you can see right now, these colorful points are the actual prices. We are right at the line, okay? We are right at the line. And what that means to us? This means that the volume is backing up the price, because when we had the all-time high right now, then we just went a bit above, okay? We went a bit above the gray line, and when it fell back to 46, we were way below. So what we are looking for? We are looking for a volume. We are looking for somebody to come in and buy. A lot of people, a lot of big company pledged their will to buy Bitcoin, like the Arabian Sheikh who said that he will buy for 4.8 billion. It did not happen anything since then. Also, MicroStrategy made a lot of advertisement for Bitcoin investment. I didn't see any big news that companies are joining Bitcoin, but something very big is coming, and that is the US stimulus payment, okay? Right now, people are starting to receive in their bank accounts, and I mean US people, okay? We in Europe, we don't receive it, but I do think that we are in a better situations in some cases. So I hope you, if you watch it from the US, you receive it and you don't need it. But so people are receiving this stimulus check, and the Mizuho Bank made a survey, and he says that 24 billion in US stimulus checks may be used to buy Bitcoin. And I think by Bitcoin they mean cryptocurrency. Anyway, it would be a very, very big pump for every cryptocurrency, because 24 billion, we are talking about billions, not millions, okay? 24 billion is huge. And if you want to make a comparison here, then let me show you. Here at this point, Tesla bought Bitcoin for $1.5 billion, okay? And no, I'm not saying that this whole thing was his effect. No, it wasn't. But this part here, that it was, I do think. Okay, but you know, but just to be even more realistic, let's make it this. 6 billion divided by 1.5 is 4. So am I saying that Bitcoin will go up 60% or 80%? I don't, but I do think that a 40-50% is imminent, and that is what we need. That is what we need to get into the previously projected price. And for that I have another research. Okay, JP Morgan made a research, and they just find out that in the third quarter of 2020, more retailers than institutional buyers were. That meaning that the small people bought more Bitcoin than the institutions. In the fourth quarter of 2020, the institutional acquisitions increased and the retail acquisitions dropped a bit, and the institutions just grow pretty high, because if you just compare these numbers, they are not too far apart from each other. However, in the first quarter of 2021, the institutional acquisitions dropped, okay, from almost to half of it, but it's something understandable, right? I mean, Tesla bought, MicroStrategy bought a lot, and many other smaller companies also bought Bitcoins, which didn't get the big news. Just to give you an example, there is this Norwegian oil company, and therefore they said that, okay, retail acquisitions are bigger. Now there is a high chance that retail acquisitions will just jump, okay, they will just jump out. And I want to make sure that everybody understands and keeps in mind this. If the price goes well above the gray line, there is a high chance, or I would say there it's 100% sure that it will return, okay? It could be just a hype, okay? And the reason is that people who will buy and will sell, okay, and the circulating supply will always be the same. Therefore, the gray line will stay on the same level. If the circulating supply would fall and the market cap would keep as same as it is, that would mean the price will increase, and there is no reason to think that it drops down. What I'm recommending and what I'm doing is that take profit, okay? If you bought, I don't know, for 1,000, it went double, take back your capital, see what you're gonna get. Don't try to be rich by tomorrow, because you won't. This is all what I wanted to talk about today. Hope you liked it. Subscribe if you like my channel and press the like button. See you tomorrow. Bye.